In this video, we will cover the topic of how to find the very high paying clients on public job board of Upwork. So as you can see, this is the after login page. Go to find work, and here you can write what skills or what type of jobs you are looking for. In the previous videos, we are talking about how to update your profile, how to make it very industry, how to select the industry niche, how to select the skill niche, and how to make your profile more robust and more appealing to your client. So for example, if we are looking for the UI designs job, we will write the UI design, and you will see all the public jobs available on Upwork. So as you can see here, let me talk about each element in a very detailed manner. So there are around 3060 jobs found with the keyword UI design. This keyword can be found in the job title, job description, or in the tags selected by the client. As you can see here, AngularJS, these are the tags. So this keyword has been adopted by the algorithm of Upwork to find the proper, particular and relevant type of job. So this is the interface, as you can see here, and you can change your view from compact to expanded, and you will see all the details here. But I personally like the compact view because it shows me more jobs and how many minutes ago this job has been posted here on Upwork. So first of all, come to the point of save search. What's that save search? You can save your search because so that you don't have to again and again type your this keyword. You can go directly to the find work menu, and you will see all the saved searches there. As you can see, we have opened another tab of find work here in another tab of Chrome, and you see these all are the saved searches I have saved there. You can click save search and it will go on the left hand side here. So this is a very quick tool available. Now come to the filters. So what are the job types? There are two types of jobs available on Upwork. First is hourly, where your payment is guaranteed. How much you work, you will get paid. It doesn't depends on the quality of the work. Only you have to download the desktop time tracker from Upwork and track your hours, and your client will have to pay how much hours you have worked for them. So this is the hourly job. As you can see here, out of the 3060 jobs, there are 1650 jobs available for the hourly projects, and 1402 projects for fixed price. So most of the time the fixed price projects are very good for if you are working as an organization and you are not doing all the work by yourself. You are making money by taking the projects from the Upwork and giving that job to someone else. For example, if you have a very good team in your office, you can apply on the fixed price projects and you don't have to track your hours. So these are the experience level. Some clients look for the expert, some clients for intermediate, and some for entry level. So out of the 3060 jobs available, around 1046 clients are looking for expert. So if you are giving the quality of work and you are an expert in your niche and industry, check on that. If you are not sure at what level you are, or you are interested in taking any of the job, it again depends on your current time frame. So you can select any experience level. So this is the client history, right? So client history appears if client is new here, no hires, 1 to 9 hires, 10 plus hires, This is the client info, either the payment method verified or that client is your previous client. So for example, there may be some projects where payment method is not verified by the Upwork because it takes around 1 to 2 days by the Upwork to verify the payment method of client. So there are a lot of new clients who are not verified, who has not verified their payment methods, but they are very interested in hiring you. So please don't ignore, don't underestimate the new clients. So these are the number of proposals. So if you click here, for example 5 to 10, it will show you only the jobs that have around 5 to 10 proposals. As you can see here, most of the jobs get 20 to 50 job proposals, and these jobs are 906. Most of the time uh, freelancers or the contractors do the same mistake again and again, and I will highly recommend you guys don't do this type of mistake, that you do the simple copy and paste type of jobs. I see many of the jobs where the client posted their job on public job board and they get around 20 to 50 proposal in only 1 hour. The client won't see, even won't click on your proposal if you don't write a very proper and customized proposal. And we will talk about in our about it, how to write a very good customized proposal in our another video. So this is the budget of the client, so it directly relates to the fixed price jobs. So some clients look for the 5,000 plus and 1,000 5,000 dollars in between. So this is the range. So in some cases these budgets can relate to the hourly job, but most of the hourly jobs are budget independent, because the clients by themselves not sure how much the complexity or the time the project will take. So come here, hours per week. So this section relates to the hourly job. So if the client is looking to hire you for less than 30 hours, he will check a check mark of less than 30 hours. If he is looking for to hire you for more than 30 hours, he will check here. Project length may go to 1 week to 1 month to the whole year. So these are the some filters you can apply on. You can choose and customize your job listing here. As you can see, project listing, this is the category. If you want to catch the projects or list the projects from a specific industry, like if you want to work for the e-commerce development projects only, you can check it here. Client location, yes, that's very important, because most of the good clients in my personal opinion belongs to the United States and Australia. But I will recommend you that don't select any of the country, because you don't know from where the your good client is. For example, some location you don't like, right? So these are the talent clouds. What are the talent clouds? This is the special program for the premium freelancers by the Upwork. So these talent clouds give you some jobs where your clients wants to pay you minimum 30 hours per week. If you work, if he gives you the 30 hours work per week or not, you do the work or not, you will get the 30 hours minimum payment there. So let's close this one, let's close the filters and come to the job posting. I am making this as expanded to show you the all the elements, as you can see here, before you click on any of the job. So as you can see here, this is very important, the job title. If you see that this job doesn't belongs to you, as in my personal skill level, I don't work for JavaScript jobs. I would leave this type of job, but it will give you a good idea what that job is all about. So this project is hourly, and that client is looking for intermediate level of expertise. and established time is estimated time is 3 to 6 months for this all the project, and client is looking for 30 plus hours per week, and this job has been posted around 28 minutes ago. So that's very important, because if that job has been posted, for example, 5 days ago, so there will be very less chances for you to get hired, because a lot of guys has been previously posted their cover letter on that type of job. You can write, you can save your job if you don't have the connects available to apply on that type of job. If you want to apply on this job later, and if that job isn't relevant to you, you can click on the not relevant. So this is the description of the job, and in our later videos we will talk about how to evaluate more clearly about what client is expecting. So proposals are less than 5, because this job has been posted 28 minutes ago. As you can see here, client is enterprise level, and its payment method has been verified. Oh yeah, that's a very big client. Very big money has been spent by that client, around $30 million, and this client is from United States. If you click on this project, and you will see all the details here again, with detailed version. This client is from United States, Mount 3181 job posted, 88% higher rate. So that's very important, because some clients post many of the jobs, just take the pricing from many different platforms and don't hire, but 88% higher rate is high enough. 67 open jobs are available from that client. I believe this is the Upwork itself. Yes, it is Upwork enterprise client. I believe this is the Upwork itself. $30 million spent and 3,400 hires from that clients, and out of 3,403, 1,265 projects are still active. That means if you work with that type of client, you will get hired in the long term. So 14.18 is the average hourly rate paid by this client. Please don't get confused by this figure, because most of the time data entry types of job take around $5 per hour or $3 per hour from some Philippine guy, which affects this history, right? So that's a big amount, around 1.44 million hours of work, and that client is a member from the last 2 years. It's October 6, 2015. So programming language is required. That's very important. JavaScript and PHP. Please don't apply if you don't have the skills required here. Software frameworks, Symfony, and you can find all the details here. So job success rate should be around 90%. If you have the job success rate less than the 90%, don't bother to apply. And this client has got around 20 to 50 proposals. This client isn't interviewing any person, and this client has not sent any invites to anybody. Alright, so this is the previous client detail. You can get the client name from the comments here. Feedback from the clients. I think I enjoyed working with Francis. Yes, that's the client's name. You can copy it and paste in your cover letter. So this is how we talk about the job listing and understanding the public job board of the Upwork. In another video, we will talk how to write a very customized and pinpoint cover letter for your client to get interested and hit you an interview, and how to get your client on a Skype phone consultation. Thank you.